Hey y'all, it's Kenzie Ray. Welcome back to my channel. If you guys didn't know already, I am obsessed with UNice Hair, and here is another unit from them, but this one is a little special. This is a 2-in-1 unit. It comes straight and then you can wet it and wear it wavy. So let's unbox it and get into the details. So y'all know UNice always hooks you up with everything that you need to get your wig started. They sent over 2 wig caps, an elastic band, a pair of lashes, a makeup brush, and a cute ring. So here's a look at the hair. This is a Vpart unit and this is their wet and wavy texture, and the hair was really full, which I love because you know straight units can be kind of iffy sometimes. It also came with clips and an elastic band to make sure that it is secured on your head. So I've already braided my hair down. I'm just going to apply some heat protectant spray to my leave out. I'm also using some smoothing serum just to make sure that it is nice and smooth. Then I use my blow dryer to blow it out, and I really wanted to get it nice and straight because I feel like lately I've been putting a lot of heat on my hair, so this will probably be the last time that I straighten my hair for a while. So I wanted to get it nice and straight so I didn't have to do too many passes with the flat iron. Then I went ahead and just put the wig on. I just secured the clips that were around the perimeter, making sure that it has a nice tight hold. After that, I just split my hair into sections, and I'm going to be doing like some big curls. I really didn't want the curls to be too small because I wanted them to give the hair a little volume since I won't be cutting it.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
After I finish curling the hair, I'm just using some spritz to keep everything in place, and then I'm going to go ahead and flat iron my leave out.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
I applied some spritz to my leave out as well, and then I just used a wide tooth comb to comb everything out. And this was the final result. I think it turned out super cute. The hair looks really natural. I love the fact that it is like a textured hair, so it matches my hair really well. So now that we've done a straight look, I went ahead and wet the hair, and now we're gonna go into the wet and wavy look. And to get this look, I just wet the hair, applied a little conditioner. I also used some foaming mousse, and then I used my Denman brush to just detangle the hair and define the curls. And here is how the hair looks wavy. Again, it is super cute and it looks so natural. I love the texture of the hair, and it's also super soft. I didn't experience any tangles or anything like that. But yes, I just love the fact that you can get two looks in one, and it just looks very natural and it's very good quality hair. So I definitely recommend you guys checking this out. Again, this is the 2-in-1 straight to wet and wavy wig from UNice Hair. I have all of the information and links for this wig in my description box, so definitely check it out. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.